Your septic tank deserves the best. Meet SEPTIFIX, America's top septic solution. Let's face it, no one likes dealing with septic tank issues, but with SEPTIFIX, you can breathe easy. This little tablet packs a punch with its unique oxygen-releasing formula and live aerobic bacteria. It's like giving your septic system a spa day. Got odors? SEPTIFIX eliminates them in just 5 days. Sludge buildup, gone, clogs, forget about it. And the best part? One tablet keeps your tank fresh and clean for up to 90 days. Just flush and forget. SEPTIFIX isn't just effective, it's also easy to use. No messy liquids or complicated instructions. Simply toss a tablet in the toilet once a month and you're done. Plus, it's all natural and safe for the environment. So you can feel good about what you're using. Worried about cost? SEPTIFIX saves you money in the long run by reducing the need for costly pumping services. And with our 100% satisfaction guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. Made in the USA and trusted by homeowners nationwide, SEPTIFIX is the smart choice for septic tank maintenance. So why wait? Make the switch today and experience the difference. SEPTIFIX, the #1 septic tank treatment in the US. Your septic tank will thank you.